Hey guys.
Today we're gonna be reacting to Friday Funkins. Can I write it?
You wanna write it?
Okay. I'm gonna write it.
It's gonna be like
Close your eyes. It's one of my favorites.
I have some.
Let's see, Friday Funkins. I love this.
We're watching it for a YouTube video.
This is one of my favorites. I love this one. Please.
No. This is my chocolate.
Just please let her share.
Lame. Here. Wasting my chocolate on me.
Beep.
Mommy got this just for me.
Okay, so we're gonna watch. It's only 8 minutes long.
No long anymore. I was about to say, why would I give you
You've never seen this one, right?
No. See, look, it opens like this and like on it.
I love this one. It's like one of the common music.
See? Boom. Wrap it around.
I'm gonna make the noise. Listen.
I'm boyfriend. Why is his girlfriend standing up?
He sounds like a good time, not gonna lie. Do I sound like him?
You sound like boyfriend, yeah.
This is like when you're sad, you just listen to this. You know, I literally...
He's completely destroying me.
I swear. Imagine if tomorrow you had to sing it. You could sound like him though. I could just listen to this to my sleep.
I can't sound like him, no. Oh my god.
The second song is so hard. I can't even sing it. Like, what the? And look at what he said.
I kind of think this is copyrighted music. I don't.
No, it's not copyrighted.
I don't get.
It just sounds like copyrighted music.
I don't get paid to do this. I don't get paid to do this.
He
video.
cursed. It cursed. The ad.
Sheesh.
Okay, watch it. Watch what he's gonna about to say. You see how it is? You're really me pushing the limit, dude.
Beep boop beep beep boop.
How about you die in the ditch instead?
Beep boop beep scoop.
Don't make me do this. See, he says die in the ditch. Look at how hard this is.
But he still completes it.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do this. He's still destroying him so bad.
What's chips in there?
Nothing.
You're standing up. I'll get out when you're done. Oh my god. These scissors are like closed shut. They're closed shut. Why do you need them? No, they won't open. Why do you need them? Because I need to open my broom and it won't open.
Corona?
No, chocolates.
No, I'll open that for you.
When I don't my face cam is in the middle of nowhere. Okay.
You see how hard it is? Woody's like my favorite character of all the FNAF characters. Like one of my favorites. Look, he has a second thing. It's so loud. Oh, I hate it.
That's gonna be loud in the video.
I'm sorry, guys. Enough. They took in all I had. You've been doomed, you useless.
Cursing that filthy Brian Drew.
Damn. Beep boop beep boop. Oh no, look at how hard this is. I can still do it. He's still destroying him. His fingers is quick. He probably be playing on mobile. He didn't even miss once. This is so hard.
Girlfriend, don't be scared. That's your actual name. Is this guy's playing on hard? He's playing on hard? This is tense. After this guy's going to be playing Friday Night Funkin.
Bro, my throat is so tired. Didn't miss a thing.
Duh.
Damn. Oh, wow.
Okay, guys. Now we're gonna be playing some.
Wait, there's a mod. It's a mod. That's a mod.
Yeah, I know.
We can mind game. No, I'm not going to listen to that. No.
No.
No, get off. I'm not gonna hear this guy smoking. And he's in the middle of like with his musty, crusty, dusty mouth with his
Musty, crusty, dusty, musty, crusty, dusty, big
cigarette. Like, dude.
Friday. Actually, Friday Night Funkin' Newground. I forgot I don't have a mouse with me right now.
So, wait, put the computer right here. Move this. Okay, so I'm gonna play. What if we switch sides and then you do the
Yeah.
Yeah, because guys, we're gonna do what we did last time, which is really, we should do all of them. Except for Senpai, because I'm not ready for Senpai. Well,
Yeah,
there's no text for Red Gun,
Yeah.
so we could do Senpai. Senpai's music is okay, though.
Okay.
It's like, he gets too intense.
Mm-hmm.
We're ready. We might have to do a part 2 because we only got 5 minutes.
Yeah, because we're already at 10 minutes now.
Because from that amazing video, shout out to the
that
person who did that. You have fast hands. Not gonna lie.
I have to put it up somewhere. Freaking on Friday night. Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna be doing that. Okay, we're ready. Why are you
Oh, they're having a live one.
I suck at this. I suck at this.
That's what we're doing it together.
I'll do that one. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I eat my booty.
Ew. Imagine the boyfriend said that.
You saw booty. Stop copying me now.
You hurting me. I'll do this one. Beautiful.
Shut up, boo. This is your daughter.
We destroyed that man. We just grabbed that man. So bad.
Okay.
We're doing fresh now. What the heck is that? Okay, we're gonna do.
Freak on a Friday night.
Okay, we're gonna mess up completely.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god. Come on. No, we're messing up.
Oh, this.
Oh no, we're dead. Oh my god. Oh my god, we're gonna be demonetized. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I almost got all of it.
Oh my god, we're so dead. Stop copying me.
Oh, we got all of it.
Okay. Imagine we did this.
Oh, no, wait.
No, we were so close.
It's okay. I don't get money for this. I don't get money for this anyway, so.
Bro, we were so close.
We were so close. We were just like one more part from winning. We still had green. Okay, go.
Crap, we're already bad. Oh, we're so bad.
I haven't played this game in like weeks.
The video's gonna end.
Part 2 coming out soon.
Bye. We're about to get demonetized.